Introducing E-Blators by E-Surgical, a complete family of bipolar arthroscopy ablators in sizes, lengths, and angles designed to address a range of joints and procedures. A key difference between the E-Blator family of products and arthroscopy ablators already on the market is that the E-Blators do not require a special purpose high-powered generator. There is no dedicated capital equipment. Also, unlike our competitors, the E-Blators have a cutting edge that is useful for dissection, liberation, and elevation of tissue. E-Blators have a sharpened cutting edge that is positioned above the insulator top surface and that protrudes beyond the insulator distal end. The edge is able to contact and even penetrate into tissue for dissection or liberation. This is aided by the wedge-shaped distal assembly, as you can see in the following video. Quoting the surgeon, here you can see how cleanly I can dissect the biceps tendon from the surrounding tissues prior to tenodesis. Destruction of the tendon from larger ablators is unfortunate and happens way too frequently. The tip of the E-Blator allows me to dissect and coagulate without unwanted tissue destruction. All this is being done with a Valley Lab Force FX generator set at 90 watts in pure cut. The edges of competitors' active electrodes stop at the insulator edge and are not sharpened. Attempting to cut soft tissue with the edge is akin to trying to cut wood with the blunt part of a hatchet. Any progress will likely result in unwanted and unintended tissue destruction. All of the E-Blators have a distal edge, including the small joint version shown above. It is able to vaporize tissue and cut at power levels down to 20 watts. The bipolar E-Blators work with standard multi-purpose generators. These include generators by Valley Lab, ConMed, Airby, Bovie, and many others. The E-Blator is a bipolar device that connects to the monopolar output and return of a standard multi-purpose generator via a patented cable. Connectors on the cable ends are the same as those used for a return pad and for standard finger-controlled pencil. The devices may be either button or foot pedal controlled without changing the connectors. RF energy flows from the monopolar generator output through the device to the active electrode. Heating of saline at the ablating surface of this electrode creates steam bubbles. Arcing through these steam bubbles vaporizes tissue. Thereafter, energy flow continues through the tissue and surrounding saline to the return electrode, from which it is conducted to the generator return. Here we see an aspirating E Blator cutting through a biceps tendon without damaging the adjacent rotator cuff. The ablator is hooked to a Valley Lab Force FX generator and it's set at 90 watts in pure cut. Notice the aggressiveness of the ablator action. The E-Blators have significant advantages over other currently available products. There is less heating of the saline and joint because of the low power levels used. The E-Blators work with standard generators. No need to buy a purchase capital item. The patented electrodes cut and elevate tissue, and the rugged construction won't come apart during use. And beyond this, they have proved to be non-clogging. E-Blators are products of E-Surgical Incorporated, and distributorships are available. For more information, contact inquiry@esurgical.com.